In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note and refund in Xero, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing your small business accounts or handling customer services, knowing how to efficiently issue a credit note and process a refund can be incredibly valuable. Let's dive in and make sure you're confident with every step in Xero. To begin, you'll want to log into your Xero accounting software. Open up your web browser and head to the Xero login page. Once you've arrived, simply enter your email and password and click on the login button. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses within Xero. Being on the right account is essential to ensure you navigate the correct financial data. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Business tab where you'll find a wealth of options related to your operations. Click on Invoices from the drop-down menu to manage your customer invoices. At this point, you should see a list of all your invoices. For the most effective workflow, click on Awaiting Payment. This view will display all customer invoices that have pending payments. Now locate the specific invoice you need to credit. Selecting it will give you the option to interact with it further. At this juncture, you might want to take a moment to ensure this is the right invoice, matching all necessary details with your records. Once that's confirmed, open it in a new window to keep your workspace organized. In the new window, you'll return to the Business tab again and proceed to Invoices. This time, you'll click on New Credit Note. Here you'll fill out the customer details that require a refund. Accuracy is crucial, so double check everything you enter. Inputting the original invoice as a reference will help keep your records clear and traceable. In the next steps, you'll enter the item details for which the credit note is being issued. Be sure to describe the items as clearly as possible. Once you've entered all necessary details, click Approve to generate the credit note. Now the focus shifts to allocating the credit. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the customer. Once you're sure of the amount, click on Allocate Credit, which will open the path to issuing the refund. The final phase is to process the cash refund. Go to Make Cash Refund. Enter the refund details carefully, ensuring everything matches your previous entries. Once reviewed, click Add Refund to finalize the process. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a credit note and issuing a refund in Xero. This process can sometimes seem daunting, but with practice, it will become a seamless part of your business operations. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting!